What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in our 6th vlog of our 400 wrap vlog series, I wanted to narrate and let you guys know what's going on in this vlog. For this vlog, we're wrapping the rear bumper of the Lexus Gx470, and this is probably the hardest section to wrap. The reason being is because the contours and the curves of the bumper, especially on the top left and the top right corners of the rear bumper, it produces a lot of stress areas. And since we're learning how to wrap this Lexus Gx470, obviously there will be some imperfections and we'll improve as we go. As you can see, we were stretching the vinyl and we were trying to glass the rear of the bumper, starting from the middle all the way going onto the sides. So you see right there in the top left and also on the top right there. Well, on the top left and top right of the rear bumper, it produces a lot of stress points. So we had to really heat and stretch and glass the vinyl and wrap the vinyl as good as we could. Also, as the vinyl curves down onto the middle of the bumper, as well as on the bottom. The bottom was a learning experience as well. But the Avery material is it's just it gives you a great learning experience. If you guys ever are looking to get into wrap, I really recommend using Avery matte black vinyl. So as you can see in the corner, we're stretching the vinyl to finish the rest of glassing the bumper. So as you can see right there, we're stretching down the vinyl again to the bottom, making sure we hit all the areas. And again, this was a learning experience. Like, we're not professional wrap installers, just so that you guys know, we're just learning. And just wanted to give big shout out to our 400 fam, our boy Sam, for allowing us and giving us this opportunity to work on his vehicle and just wrapping the car. And right here you see Jason. He's wrapping the rear spoiler, and he did such a great job. He's very good at understanding how vinyl works, and he did such a great job right there. And he knows how to tuck. And we're all learning every section as we go. We improve and we progress. And you see right there, we're making sure that the vinyl is being glassed properly. And yeah, we're making sure right there all the vinyl is glassed properly onto the rear bumper. You can see right there we're heating up the vinyl to stretch into the rear bumper. Those were the hardest points of wrapping as far as the rear bumper, and we still have a few things to finish up on. And you can see we finished the rear door of the Lexus Gx470. So the next day, we're starting on the roof of the Lexus Gx470. So we removed the roof rack, which we wrapped as well. And here you see we just cut the vinyl, measured it, and we're going to attempt to properly stretch the material and apply it onto the roof. Made sure it was clean first, and then we decided that the best way for us, and as far as what we're doing, was to wrap it in sections. So as you can see right there, we're starting at the top, in the middle first, and we work our way towards the outside of the vehicle. So we finished majority of the vehicle. This took some time. It was a little bit tiring, but we managed to get the roof done. And as you can see behind us, there's the roof rack. We wrapped the caps and the side railings, and also you see Jason in the back. He's finishing up the rear spoiler. So that took some time. We just wanted to make sure that we properly glassed the roof, and most importantly, make sure that the roof was clean. That was a whole great learning experience, because considering the vehicle is a pretty hard vehicle to try to wrap for starters. It has a lot of contours, a lot of accents in certain areas, so it was a great experience, and we definitely have grown into understanding the knowledge of how wrap vinyl works, how it stretches, and how we can troubleshoot when we reach certain areas that give stress to the vinyl. So this whole project and this whole wrap vlog that we did on our YouTube channel, it was just something to share with everyone, because when we did some research online, we didn't see any Lexus Gx470s that has been wrapped before. So we figured it was a great way to share our experiences and let others see how we did it, and maybe we can learn from them too. And again, we're not pros, we're just learning as we go, and we appreciate Sam, part of our Firm Furniture fam, for allowing us to work on this vehicle and try our best as far as learning pretty much every aspect of vinyl wrap. For starters, I mean, we used knifeless cutting tape. We were improving on our cutting, tucking, and understanding how applying heat to the vinyl, how it stretches, and how we can eliminate certain areas that may give us some limitations, but we end up finding a way to make it work. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to end narrating this vlog, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog.